Expanding brackets, single brackets with Adam Maths Tutor. These are the beginner questions, some of the easiest types of questions that you're likely to find on expanding single brackets. Most of the time, when brackets show up, you'll want to expand them to get rid of them. You can expand or remove brackets by multiplying everything inside the brackets by the letter or number or both that's in front of the brackets. Starting off with the first example, we have 5 bracket x plus 7. So to start off, we'll need to multiply 5 by the first term that's inside the bracket, which is x. 5 times x is 5x. Next, we'll need to multiply the 5 by 7. These are separated by a plus, so 5x plus 35. For the second example, we have b outside, and to start, we'll multiply this by the first term inside, which is b. b times b will give us b squared. Next, we'll need to multiply b by 7. These are separated by a subtraction. b times 7 is 7b. On to the intermediate questions with a slight increase in difficulty. 3y will need to be multiplied by y. This will give us 3y squared. Lastly, we'll need to multiply 3y by 4, separated by a subtraction. 3y times 4 is 12 lots of y. On the second example, we'll multiply d squared by d to start off with. D squared times d gives us d to the power of 3, and then we'll need to multiply d squared by c, separated by plus. We write the numbers in alphabetical order, c, d squared. On to the advanced questions. These are some of the trickiest types of questions that you're likely to find when expanding single brackets. For the first, we'll start by multiplying 7x by x squared. That would give us 7 lots of x cubed. We'll then need to multiply 7x by 3, separated by a subtraction. That would be 21x. And this time we have 3 terms inside the bracket, so we'll need to multiply 7x by a also, separated by a plus. That will leave us with 7ax. On to the second, 2e squared outside the bracket, and the first term is 3e. 2 times 3 is 6, and e squared times e is e to the power of 3. Multiplying 2e squared by our second term, which is 2, we're separated by a subtraction, and that would give us 2 times 2 is 4, lots of e squared. And lastly, we need to multiply 2e squared by 5e squared, separated by a subtraction. 2 times 5 is 10, and e squared times e squared will give us e to the power of 4. Before you go, take a look at this solution that I've provided. It appears as though I've made some mistakes. Let's see if you can either tell me what they are or make some corrections down in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you found that video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. If you're struggling with maths or finding topics difficult, you can subscribe and turn on notifications to receive regular updates about new video tutorials. Don't forget to visit my website adamonlinetutoring.com for a full searchable list of all topics with exams, questions and solutions. You can also visit me on social media using the handle @AdamMathsTutor on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Twitter. All links in the description below.